In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to log in to your workspace. To do this, head over to Wrike's login page. Here you'll want to enter your credentials. If you want to speed up the process, you can use the Google account login shortcut, which is super convenient. Just a few clicks and you'll be inside your workspace, ready to create. Now that you're logged in, let's initiate your new project. Look around your workspace for the option to create a new project or folder. You'll typically find this option in the top menu or along the sidebar panel. It's pretty easy to spot, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on that option. Next up, it's time to name your project. This part is really important because you want the name to be clear, descriptive, and intuitive. Think about the purpose of your project and how it might be searched for later by your team. A good project name can make all the difference in keeping everyone on the same page. So take a moment to type that in the details prompt when it appears. Once you've got your project named to perfection, it's time to finalize and create it. Look for the Create button. This is usually easy to spot as well. Once you click on that button, Wrike will instantly set everything up for your project workspace. How cool is that? You're now ready to start breaking down your project into individual tasks. When you dive into your project, you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and really get organized. It's all about making sure everyone knows what they need to do and by when, so take advantage of those features. With Wrike, managing deadlines and assignments is straightforward, which helps keep everyone aligned and on track. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a new project in Wrike. Remember, the goal here is to create a project that's organized and easy to manage. So don't hesitate to play around with the features to see what works best for you and your team. If at any point you feel stuck, remember that Wrike offers a lot of resources and support documentation that can help you along the way. So keep those handy if you need to go back and reference anything as you're setting up and managing your projects. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more useful tutorials.